हेलो एंड वेलकम टू हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड यूट्यूब चैनल। आज 12 दिसंबर 2020 को हिमाचल प्रदेश टीजीटी आर्ट्स का टेट हुआ है और इसी की साइकोलॉजी पार्ट की मैं आंसर की आपके सामने लेकर आई हूँ। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, साथ में चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलती रहें। आइए देखें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द ओल्डेस्ट मेथड इन साइकोलॉजी इज़, so option A, introspection will be correct. Question 2, the first book of psychology was written by, so option B, William James, it will be correct. Question 3, the real carriers of heredity are, so option A, chromosomes, that will be correct. Fourth question, which of the following statement is not correct about development? So option B, according to me, that is correct. फिर भी you can wait for the official answer key for the final answer. So option B, development is not aided by stimulation, that will be right. Next, fifth, the pace of development varies from one individual to another, but it follows dash pattern. So head to toe pattern, toe to head pattern, option A, that will be right. Sixth question, psychology first lost its soul, then its mind, and then it lost its consciousness. It still has behavior of a kind was stated by, so Wundt said these words, option B will be correct. Seventh question, process of socialization includes, so it includes all the above, option D will be correct. Eighth question, Piaget called the period of infancy as the sensory motor stage, option A will be correct. Ninth, according to Vygotsky, learning cannot be separated from, option A, reinforcement, that will be correct. 10th, fitting new information into existing schemas is known as, so option C, assimilation, it will be correct. 11th, child-centered education was advocated by which of the following thinkers? So option D, John Dewey, it will be correct. 12th, according to Gates, dash is modification of behavior through experience, so option C, learning, that is correct. Okay, moving on to the next one. Which question did we discuss? We discussed 12th question, and then 13th is, which of the following theory of intelligence was given by Howard Gardner? So option D, multiple intelligence theory is correct option. 14th, the factor G in Spearman definition of intelligence stands for, so general intelligence, option C, it will be correct. 15th, a 5-year-old child's mental age is 6 years, then his IQ will be, so if you apply the formula, option A, 120 will be correct. 16th, both the chronological age and the mental age of a pupil is 7 years. He may be classified into which category? So option B, normal intelligence, that will be right. 17th, which of the following is a characteristic of a gifted learner? So option B, he can feel understimulated and bored if the class activities are not challenging enough, that will be correct according to me. You can still refer to the official answer key for the correct answer. 18th, TAT, that means thematic apperception test, is a projective technique used for measuring, so option A, personality, is right. 19th, a concept learned by a student in science class is used by her in social science class. This is a type of, so positive transfer of thinking, option A will be right. 20th, individual differences are found in all the above, option D is right. 21st, when a test measures an individual's ability consistently and accurately, then that test is known as reliable, option B is correct. 22nd, which of the following is an objective question? So option D, true and false, is an objective one. 23rd, education of children with special needs should be provided, option A, along with other normal children, option A is correct. 24th, education of all in schools for all could be a tagline for which of the following? So B, inclusive education, can be correct, is correct. 25th, learning disability named dyscalculia is associated with, so option B, mathematical disorder, is absolutely right. 26th, the teacher told Rita that she is not allowed to participate in games period as she has not completed homework. It is an example of punishment, according to me, it will be correct. It is not a direct question, it is an indirect one. Next, 27th, according to Freud, which component of personality works on the pleasure principle. So id, option A will be correct. 28th, out of the box thinking is related to divergent thinking, option C will be correct. Who propounded the theory of trial and error? So Thorndike, option C will be correct. And then the 30th, name the theory which advocates sudden solution to the problem. So you can wait for the original key, lekin option C you can rely on this trial and error theory. So that's all for this video. Soon I'll be uploading another video, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Himachal.